Hey, I want to show you how easy it is to make a site selection strategy for an emerging retailer. So we're going to be using Serena and Lily. It's a furniture store for this example. They've got around 20 locations. We want to know the customer segmentation visiting their top 5 locations, so we go find those people in new markets. So here is our top 5 locations for Serena and Lily, and we need to know who is visiting those locations to see the segments that make up the highest percentage. So all we do is we go to the Append tab and we want to draw a polygon. We're going to just drop that Dallas location into this, and we are going to draw a polygon around that location to get all the device visits that have visited that polygon. And what's going to happen in the background is we're using the home location of that device to match it then to a segment. So here's a Serena Lily location. It's a little square footprint here, and we're going to draw a polygon around that area. Finish that polygon. We can choose a custom time range. 1 year is good enough for me, and we'll use this location name. Now I can submit this, but I actually already did, so I'm going to pull up the customer percentage for that location. So here in our Insights tab or Analyze tab, you can hit the Dallas, Serena, and Lily location that we just submitted, and we can see the percentage of people coming from each segment. So 19% are coming from the young professional segment to the Serena and Lily location in Dallas, versus we also have their Palm Beach location. So let's see if their Palm Beach location is any different. So their Florida location has 29% coming from Sunset Boomers. But we want to get the Serena and Lily thumbprint. Who's coming to their top stores? So we are going to pick all 5 of those top stores and see across them who are their top segments. So number 1 here, Sunset Boomers. Number 2, ultra wealthy families. And number 3, educated urbanites. And you can see the percentage that are visiting the Serena location. Serena and Lily location. So now that we have that Serena and Lily thumbprint, we can help them move into a brand new market like Indianapolis. I'm going to show you that. You can do that on any mapping tool. I just happen to have ArcGIS Business Analyst that we're going to do here. And I'm going to show you each of these segments individually and then combine them to make that Serena and Lily thumbprint. So first, let's look at where the educated urbanites live in Indianapolis. And no surprise, they're downtown in the middle of Indianapolis. So this block group has 66% of the people, the population's block group is educated urbanites. Versus our Sunset Boomers, we'll see where those people are. More north of the city, 69% over here, 90% are coming from the Sunset Boomers. Now we want to add all 3 of ours together, which is ultra wealthy family, the educated urbanites, and then Sunset Boomers into a Serena and Lily thumbprint. It's really simple. All we do is sum the percentages and block groups that meet all 3 of those segment groups. So that gets us a Serena and Lily thumbprint. So these are the block groups in the Indianapolis area that have the highest percentage of people that fall into, we already know, that over-index in physically visiting Serena and Lily. So this area in Zionsville over here, 94% of the population over-indexes on having a preference for Serena and Lily based on past 12-month visitation to the top 5 locations. Okay, that's it. It's that easy to make a site selection strategy. So you can use that if you're doing site selection for Serena and Lily, or if you're doing tenant representation.